There are sounds you come to expect when you go to the ballpark. And everything else, well, it's all part of the plan. Marketing assistant John Murphy runs the music and sound effects for the Smokies. With hundreds of options just a click away, he's got to stay on his toes.
I mean, you're doing something on every single play, so, and like this one, I'm hoping they turn 2, and double play.
Murphy maps out a plan before the game. You've got to find just the right sound. And then, of course, there's the player walk-up songs. Marketing and media relations manager Connor Pierce says those sounds are everything.
What you play really affects, how the crowd reacts to the game. So you want to make sure that you're giving them music or sound effects that are fitting, because if it's not, they'll notice and it kind of takes away from their experience.
Okay, so what's the one track that always gets the crowd going?
Rocky Top. I love playing it because the whole place just goes nuts.
As for sound effects, Nature Boy is always a hit.
It's got to be the woo. I'm a woo guy. I love the woo.
A couple of homers means a come-from-behind win for the Smokies, and Murphy knows exactly what to play.